What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the master window switch on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we want to take this cover off right here, or trim piece. Just use a trim tool, get in behind here, pop that out, and then it just slides out. There's a retainer right there, and there's these clips that hold it in, and then it slides on, so you don't want to pop it up from the back side. Now this connector, it's a little bit different. There's a little lock right here, so you push down on this lock and then you slide this part up. You may have to get a trim tool or even a screwdriver in here. Try to move just this part of the connector. It slides up like that, and then you can pull the connector out, just like that. Just a little bit different. Now we're gonna separate the bezel from the switch. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a screw here, and then two screws right there. Take these screws out. Take those out, and we can grab the switch and separate it from the bezel. I'm going to reattach this switch to the bezel. Just slide it in the correct way. Take the screws, get the screws started. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just going to get them all started first, just to make sure the holes line up. While I'm holding the switch to the bezel, just snug these screws up. Not too tight, it is in plastic, so once they get snug, that'll be good. And snug that. Now we can reinstall this in the car. Now take the connector, make sure you line it up the right way. And then push this little retainer down, just like that. Now we want to slide this piece in the back first. That's good. And then just lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.